front of me is POCO M7 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on display and brightness available here. Now scroll again, but this time select font. Hit consent. Select one of those if you want to buy one, or hit more and check out all of those. You can also go back, click on one of those sections like selected and pick a font from here. Wherever you decided, after finding a perfect one, click on it. Let's go with this one. Click on this green button on the right and wait. Then tap on the same one. Wait again, and when you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you will ever want to go back to your default font style, you can always go into the same section in settings. But this time tap on font settings under font section. Now click on default here and go back. Your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!